and then the amount of USD is 20. But you are willing to offer Sing dollars, so you claim each Sing dollars, and possibly you have 200. So simply click submit. You have just added a new request. So how is it reflected? Scroll down, and you realize that your previous request has just been reflected. Let's say another user named Alan comes along and he's interested in making this transaction with you. He can click more info, which allows him to view all this information, enter a live chat with you, schedule a chat with you, or go back to the main listing page if he's not interested in this transaction after all. So going back to the main listing page, what if you're not interested in making a new request, but you want to search out existing requests made by other users? Over here, simply type USD and click search. You realize that we have at the bottom, it has been streamlined for you, and there's just one request that fulfills what you're looking for. So let's say that you have decided to enter into a trade with a user named Alan, and so you want to chat with him or her. So click live chat. Okay, this will bring you to this page. Display name, room name. So your display name is Wayne. So simply type in Wayne and give a name for the chat room, chat. So click join. This will bring you to this page where you realize that you have entered into a chat room. And on the other hand, Alan has done the same thing. He has typed in his name of Alan and he has typed in the chat room name of chat. So this brings you into chat between you and Alan. So type in message, hello. And you realize on Alan's end, he has received a message. So he can send a location back. And you have just received a location from Alan. So clicking on this, it brings you a Google Maps page, which zooms into your specific location which Alan is right now. So this brings a lot of convenience, especially when you want to enter into a transaction with Alan and find out where is the meeting place exactly at. So thus far, I have covered the few main features that we have developed as of today. The first thing we have is obviously the marketplace. Let's see here, which allows you to add requests, search for existing requests, and view available requests. Secondly, we have the user dashboard, which displays your profile information, the currency converter function, and in future, things such as transaction history, trust rating, and my social media. And lastly, to connect with your trade partner, we have the chat function. So that's the few main features that we have developed thus far, and this already gives us a viable product which you can use to deal with other users. What is coming up? So let's go back into the presentation. So in future, you can expect that when it comes to dealing with other users, there will be a rating system. You have just dealt with Alan and you can give him a rating of out of 5 stars, and in future that rating will be reflected on Alan's user profile. Secondly, there is the revamping of our chat function. As you realize that now it is quite troublesome to enter into a chat with Alan. So we are aiming to bypass that join chat room page where you can directly click on person's user profile and enter into a chat with him or her. And secondly, and most importantly, we are going to allow for the storing of chat messages so that users can always refer to what was discussed previously. Thirdly, there will be the development of our user dashboard when it comes to things such as transaction history, as we mentioned, trust ratings, and also the social media link up. Fourthly, there is going to be a revamping of the user interface. As you realize, our website doesn't look the best right now, and many pages are still quite messy in terms of the layout. So we are going to revamp the entire user interface and make it more modern looking and have a better experience for the user on the overall. And lastly, we are going to write test codes which allows us to have a more robust development on the overall. We are using Node.js for the backend server code, and so that means we may possibly use things such as Mocha for the Node.js module, and also the use of Postman, an application which will allow us to test all our codes. And so that's it. In this video, we covered our project motivation, the main features that we have developed thus far, and really the future extensions that are coming. So stay tuned, and we are excited to be able to bring more to you. And as a user, you can look forward to all of these.